Hey guys, long time no sing. So today I'm going to be showing you my fidgets. So today I'm going to show you my puppet. See, it's a crab puppet. I'll pop it for you. Here. See? Okay, that's my first pop. That's my only puppet. Okay, that's. And I also got this big ball. It has glitter in it. It's really fun. I actually took all the hair out. I had a bunch of hair. That's my next. I also have this broken squishy. It's still fun. It's still a puppet. And that's my next. Also have 3 magnets. Let me show you. Here, 1 second. Be right back.
What you're going to do is take I already tried cutting that, you're going to take the cardboard and...
Okay, I'm back. Side goes here. Okay. Yeah, magnets. Let me turn this green. 3 of them. They're really fun to play with. Them up. Made 1 second. See? Made stairs. I have 1 more. There we go. Made stairs. That once. Now I'm gonna show you with these circle magnets how to make a snowman. See this? You have 2 magnets and you put them together like that. It makes a snowman. See that? Okay. That's my next fidget. And also this little drawing thing you like color that, and you can erase it by doing this. And my next fidget is this little fun little football. I'm gonna throw it for you. Okay, I'm gonna pick you guys up. Look at that. Right there. Okay, I'm gonna go get the football. Okay, so I got the football. Okay, that's my next. That's a big fun football. You can put it on your backpack. Also got this little fun mirror maker. You can put it on your backpack too if you're a girl. And I also got this fun golden ball. Also got this fun little thing where I could throw it on the roof, but I don't want to because it could stay on. And also, it will stay on them. And also I got this. See, let go of it like that. It makes it make that. And you can also roll it up. That's how it is. Okay. This. Okay, on your arm. Whee! Whee! Onto my other arm. That. Okay, that's my other one. The other fidget. Also, got a little bouncy ball ready. This one's not the great one. Yeah. So got a bouncy ball. Got another bouncy ball. It's a better one. Let me move you back a little. Yeah, bounce better on concrete. I'm on carpet right now. And I also got some of these. If you have some of these, yeah, you can play with them. They're really fun. I've got some putty. That's all of my fidgets. My homemade that I made is this. And it's this so fun pink. It's broken, by the way. I can fix it. And I also got the stress ball. See, it's all this. It's broken Orbeez. It's really fun. It's so cool. Also got this. This is some soft stuff, and it's in a candy bag. You hear that? Okay. I also got this. It has bottle caps. Really cool. That inside of it. And what's this next puppet? This is also a puppet, by the way, but it broke. And I also got this. It's an eyeball puppet. It's really fun. Yeah, that's it. Bye, guys. Right there. Make sure to hit the bell button, subscribe. Right there. Make sure to make that red button gray. Peace.